Hello everyone, Devjyoti here from mobilestudio.com, and today in this video tutorial I am going to teach you how you can create this kind of awesome, professional, beautiful looking website by using one of the most popular, best selling, multi-purpose WordPress theme named as Udesign Responsive WordPress theme. As you can see the sales number, it already costs 51,000 sales and it already get 5,000 plus 5-star rating. So by seeing this sales number you can understand how much popular this theme is. There are lot of reasons behind this theme's popularity. Now let me discuss them one by one. The most important feature of this theme comes with almost 35 predefined demo, and they have the demo for almost all purpose, like for insurance company, for cafe, for the bicycle company, for the finance. As you can see, they have the demo for each and everything, and you can import this demo by just a single click in your website. Not only that, but also this themes comes with almost 354 pre-built layout, and you can import these layouts in your website by just a single click. Also, with these themes, you will get lot of professional premium plugin in free of cost, like Slider Revolution, WP Page Builder, Essential Grid, like that. Almost you will get $126 premium plugin in free of cost with this theme. This theme is one of the oldest theme available in the Envato market. This theme listed in this Envato market almost before 12 years ago, but till now, even though it's a old theme, it is very popular theme. This theme comes with conditional display setting, means suppose that is the session I want to display in certain condition only. You can always define the condition at which condition you want to display this session. Like I'm clicking on that, and after that here you can see this conditional rendering system. Click on that, and after that let me click in the add item. So here actually I can add the condition at which condition this session should get display. As you can see, there are total 3 conditions: device condition, login status, and user role. Suppose I want to display this session only in desktop or only in tablet, so I can easily choose that. Not only that, suppose I want to display this session when the user in logged in condition, so I can choose that also. After that, user role, suppose I want to display this session only for the author or editor, so you can choose that also. It's one of the most important feature of this theme. In other premium thing, actually for implementing this conditional rendering system you have to download third-party plugin, but this function is coming inbuilt with this theme. This theme comes with inbuilt performance enhancement optimization wizard. If you come to the dashboard and if you hover on this Udesign, so here you can see this optimization word, and from there you can see the performance tab. If I click on that, here you can see lot of performance enhancement feature is already available in this theme. You can select them, and after that you have to click in the save and continue. Then those features will be applied in your website. As you can see, there are a lot of inbuilt performance enhancements feature like dropped eye support, Mark.js and CS, critical CSS. So many important features is available here. Not only that, but also if you make a website by using this Udesign theme, you will get almost 98% performance in Google PageSpeed Index, and in GTM Matrix actually you will get 1.2 second score. It's really an awesome score. This theme also comes with flexible post type builder and powerful archive builder. This theme is just packed with customization option. By using this theme, actually you can easily customize anything without having any coding knowledge. As I tell you before, this theme comes with pre-built 35 demo layout, and you can import them just a single click. Now let me explain the process a little bit. So for that, actually you have to click in this setup wizard, and after that you have to click in this import demo session, and from there you can see there are a lot of website already present there, and actually this website you can install by just a single click. Suppose I want to import this demo, so what I have to do, here you can see import option, you have to click on that. After that you have to select all of them if you want to import everything, and after that just you have to click in this standard import, else alternative mode. Anyone you have to just click, and within some minutes actually the entire demo template will be installed in your website. In this tutorial I am not going to install any demo. I will teach you how to create a awesome website from scratch. So after ending this tutorial you can create any kind of website by using this Udesign theme. This theme comes with a custom version of the Elementor Page Builder, and as it uses Elementor Page Builder, so the person who does not have any kind of coding knowledge, they also can create awesome website by just dragging and dropping the elements. And in this custom made Elementor version, actually you will get all the Elementor Pro features also in free of cost. As you can see, this theme comes with almost 70 plus element for creating a awesome website, and I will going to discuss about all the important elements of this custom Elementor page builder in this tutorial. To be frank, when I designing this website actually, I really don't feel the lack of the Elementor Page Builder Pro version. This theme is just packed with features. Even you can easily create custom WooCommerce pages also by using this UDesign theme. Not only that, but also this themes comes with lot of customization option. As you can see, that is the theme customization panel, and they have lot of option actually. And this themes also comes with inbuilt header and footer builder. As you can see here, these themes have inbuilt header and footer builder, so you can easily create any kind of header and footer as you need. You no need to have to depend on the pre-built layouts. You can create your own header and footer layout. Also, these themes comes with the layout builder. So as you can see, you can easily customize the global layout, soft page layout, blog page layout, portfolio layout, 404 error page layout, post page layout. You can customize anything. Also, you can create custom templates and you can implement that template in your website. So in this tutorial actually, I am going to cover how to create pop-up forms, how to create custom header, how to create custom footer, etc. Just my humble request, don't skip the video, just watch this tutorial from the starting to end so you can easily understand all the features of this UDesign theme. And after understanding all these features in details, you can create awesome website without any kind of help. So now for creating this website actually, here I am not going to use any real domain or hosting account. I am going to use XAMPP. XAMPP is a local server. For downloading and installing the XAMPP, first of all you have to Google XAMPP, and after that you have to click in these links www.apachefriends.org. After that you have to click in the download option. From there, if you are a Windows user, then you have to download this one. If you are a Linux user, then you have to download this one. And if you are a Mac user, then you have to download this one. I mean the latest version. So I am a Windows user. So let me click in the download option here. So as you can see, my download already started. Let me cancel it because I already download and install the XAMPP in my system. So once you successfully download and install the XAMPP, you have to search for the XAMPP control panel. I mean this one. Once you open, it will look like that. From there you have to click in the start option for the Apache, and after that you have to click in the start option for the MySQL. At the same time, what you have to do, you have to open another tab and you have to search for the wordpress.org. From there actually you have to download your WordPress file. For that you have to click in the get WordPress option, and here you can see the download option. Just click on that. So as you can see, my download already started. Now in the next step, what you have to do, you have to open your file explorer. So I installed the XAMPP in my app drive, so I am opening the app drive here, and in that actually here you can see XAMPP folder is there. You have to open that. Suppose you install the XAMPP in C drive, then you have to open the C drive, and after that you have to open the XAMPP folder. After that process will be quite similar. Next you have to open this htdocs folder. After that, what you have to do, you have to open the folder what you just downloaded. I mean that WordPress folder actually. You will get a zip file. Once you open the zip file, it will look like that. Now what you have to do, you have to just drag and drop this WordPress inside the htdocs. It will take some time to copy everything, so just please wait for that. Once everything get copied, just close this one, and after that actually you have to rename this WordPress folder. Suppose I am giving the name as UDesign. After that you have to open that. Now in between that, here you can see the WP content. You have to open that. Next you have to come to this address. I'll give the link in the video description, so don't worry. From there actually you have to purchase this UDesign theme. Now if you don't want to spend this $59 for my subscriber, actually I'll provide this theme in free of cost. Yes, entirely free of cost. So my humble request, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel. Once you subscribe, just scroll down in the video description, there you will get a link. Just click on that. Now after clicking on that link actually, you will get almost 3 files. Just download all the file in a single folder. So once you download them in a single folder, it will look like that. One folder will be for images, another for the plugin, and that is the theme actually. And I am providing all of this in free of cost for you only. So next what you have to do, so in the htdocs you have to open the WP content. Now from here actually you have to open themes. Next what you have to do, by default there will be total 3 themes. Just delete them, okay? That's really not necessary. Next, just right click, click in the copy, and right click, click in the paste the theme here. Similarly, at the same time, again come back to the WP content, open the plugins. Here also you have to open the plugins, select all the plugins. Next what you have to do, copy them, come back here, delete all the default plugins and right click, click in the paste. It will take some time to copy all the plugin one by one. So please wait for that. So once all the plugin copied, just close this one. So next what you have to do, you have to open a new tab in your browser, and after that you have to type localhost. Make sure in this XAMPP control panel, this Apache and MySQL should be on, okay? Now you have to click in the phpMyAdmin. After that, you have to create the database. So for that, you have to click in the new option, and here actually you have to enter the database name. So I am giving the database name as udesign. After that, you have to click in the create option. So as you can see, my database already created. Next, you have to open another tab and you have to type localhost / the directory name means udesign, okay? I renamed the WordPress folder in udesign, okay? So here I am writing localhost / udesign. Next, you have to click in the enter key. This window will open. So from there actually you have to choose your preferred language, and after that you have to click in the continue option. Next, you have to click in the let's go. Now it asking the database name. So I give the database name as udesign. So here I am writing udesign. Username I am writing root. Password I does not required, so I am removing it. After that you have to click in the submit option. Next I have to click in the run the installation, and after that here actually you have to enter the site title. I am giving the site title as udesign. Username I am writing admin. Password also I am writing as admin. Here actually the username and password I am writing both admin and admin, because it's a dummy website, but for your original project, for your real website actually, I highly recommended a strong user ID and password, okay? After that you have to click in the confirm password, and here actually you have to enter your admin email ID. Once done, you have to click in the install WordPress option. Next, this window will open. From there you have to click in the login option, and after that you have to enter user ID and password, and again you have to click in the login option. Next, my dashboard should be open. So that is the WordPress dashboard, and after that you have to hover on the appearance, and after that you have to click in the themes option. So here you can see the udesign theme. Click in the activate option. This setup wizard will open. From the scroll down, click in the continue option. Child theme I not required. If you required, always you can click in this create and use child theme, but I am skipping this step. After that, install plugin. So here actually you have to install all the required plugins. So that is the plugin I required. Click in the continue option. So it will actually one by one downloading and installing, and after that activate all the plugins. It will take some time, so please wait for that. Once it completed, it will redirect the next step automatically. You no need to touch anything. Just keep patience and wait for that. So next, it will redirect me to this page. From there, if you want to install any demo, just hover on that, and after that you have to click on the import option, and next you have to click in this alternate mode. Actually the entire demo template will be get inserted in your website, but I don't want to import the demo here. So next what I have to do, scroll down and click in the skip the step. Okay, it's done here. Let me click in the view your website. So my website is looking like that now. It's really a basic design actually. So now I have to come back to the dashboard. Let me click in this. So in the next step actually you have to click in the media. Now open the folder, which link I already give you in the video description. From there you have to open the images folder. Next what you have to do, you have to select all the images by pressing Ctrl and A key, and just drag and drop them here like that. It will take some time to upload all the images one by one. Please wait for it. So as you can see, all the images already uploaded. Now actually I have to set up the WooCommerce. For set up the WooCommerce, I have to hover on the WooCommerce, and after that I have to click in the settings option. So in the general tab actually, here actually I have to enter the store address. Let me enter some dummy address. In the city, let me enter Hyderabad because I am from Hyderabad. After that, in the country/state, I am from Telangana, India. So let me search for India, Telangana. So here you can see the India, Telangana. Click on that. After the postal code, I have to enter my zip code. Next, in the general location, I have to enter the selling location. I want to sell my product only in India. So from this drop down, I am choosing sell to specific countries. And here let me search for the India. So here you can see the India, and after that shipping location, I want to ship my product only in India. So I am choosing sell to specific country only, and here I am searching for India again, this one, and after that enable the tax. Scroll down, the currency I want that should be INR, I mean Indian rupees, and after that I have to click in the save changes. Now let me come back to the products tab. So in the products tab actually everything I am keeping as it is. Just in the weight measurement unit, let me make it gram. Scroll down, and after that I have to click in the save changes. Next I have to click in the tax tab. So in India, tax is also known as GST. So here let me write GST, and after that I have to scroll down and click in the save changes. Next in the top here you can see extra one tab get added, GST rate. Click on that, and here I have to click in this insert row option, and here actually I have to enter the country code. For India, that is IN, and after that I have to enter the rate here, like the tax is 10%, Then I have to check both of the checkboxes, and after that I have to click in the save changes. So my tax setup is complete. Now let me directly come back to the shipping tab. So in this shipping tab, actually first of all I have to create a shipping zone. So for that I have to click in the add shipping zone here. After that I have to enter the shipping zone name. Suppose I am giving India. After that here let me click in the add shipping method. Click in the add shipping method again. Now I have to click in the flat rate, and for each and every product, suppose I want the shipping charges should be 50 rupees. So here I have to enter 50. After that asterisk sign, and in bracket I have to write in small letter QTY. And after that I have to close the bracket. And after that I have to click in the save changes. So in this way you can set a shipping charges for each and every product. But there is a problem. Suppose you are selling lightweight product as well as heavyweight product. For the heavyweight product, the shipping charges obviously will be more compared to lightweight product. So for solving that problem, actually I have to create a shipping class. So here you can see the shipping class. Let me click on that. After that another tab will open. So from there you have to click in the add shipping class. The shipping class name I am giving as heavy. After that I have to click in the save shipping class. Next, after saving, again I have to come back to the shipping zone. So from there I have to click in the India. After that I have to click in the flat rate. So from there I have to remove the rate. Now the product which is belong to the heavy shipping class, for that suppose I want for each and every product the shipping charges will be 150 rupees, and the product which is not belong to the heavy shipping class, I mean for the normal product, the shipping charges 50 rupees for each and every product. So here I am writing 50 star QTY. After that I have to click in the save changes. So in this way you can enter the shipping charges. After that directly come back to the payments tab. So by default actually WooCommerce provide these three payment method. From the let me enable the cash on delivery. Now let me teach you how to add a external payment gateway. So for that first of all I have to click in the save changes, and as a external payment gateway, actually here I am going to add Stripe payment gateway. That is very popular payment gateway worldwide. So for that actually I have to hover on the plugin, and after that I have to click in the add new. Because for adding a new payment gateway, always you have to install and activate the plugin for that payment gateway. So let me search for the Stripe here. There will be so many plugins available for the Stripe, but I highly recommended please install this one. Okay, click in the install now. After the installation done, I have to click in the activate option. At the same time, just open a new tab and you have to search for the stripe.com. From there you have to click in the sign in option, because I already have an account. After that you have to enter your email ID and password. Once you enter user ID and password, it asking for the verification code. You will receive the verification code, I mean the OTP, in your mobile. So once you enter the verification code, I have to confirm that I am not a robot. Let me select the all chimneys. So I already successfully verified that I am not a robot, I am a human being. After that it will redirect me in the Stripe dashboard. From there I have to click in this developers tab. After that I have to click in the API key. So here you can see the publishable key and secret key. Now again you have to come back to the dashboard. So here actually you can see this WebDrop Stripe. Click on that. Now just copy the publishable key from here. Come back here. First of all I have to make it live mode. After that here actually I have to enter the publishable key. Similarly copy the secret key. Come back here, and here actually you have to mention the secret key. Scroll down, and after that you have to click in the save changes. Once done, again I have to come back to the WooCommerce settings. So for that again I have to hover on the WooCommerce, and after that I have to click in the settings option. From there you have to click in the payments option again. So now you can see there are a lot of options available. From there actually you have to enable this one, this credit/debit card/Stripe, and after enabling you have to click in the manage option. Make sure that should be enabled. After that here you can see the title. So here I am writing credit/debit card. Here also, even here also I am writing the credit card/debit card. Scroll down, enable this one, and after that I have to click in the save changes. Next I have to come back to the account and privacy tab. So in this account and privacy tab, let me enable this one also. After that I have to disable this one. Scroll down and click in the save changes. Okay, so my WooCommerce setup is complete. Now I have to create the product category. For creating the product category, first of all I have to hover on the products, and after that I have to click in the categories. So here actually I have to enter the category name. Suppose I am entering bag. Scroll down. So here actually I have to add the category image. Click on that. Click in the media library. Suppose I am taking this image as a product category image, and after that let me click in the use image option. After that I have to click in the add new category. If you want to add the category icon, always you can enter here, but here I am keeping as it is. Next let me add some subcategory for the bag. For adding the subcategory, here actually you have to enter the subcategory name like laptop bag. Now in the parent category let me choose bag, because I want to create the subcategory for the bag. After that again I have to add the image. Click in this. Suppose I am taking this image, click in the use image, and after that I have to click in the add new category. So in this way you can add the subcategory. Let me add another subcategory like handbag, and in parent category I am choosing bag. After that I have to upload the image. Suppose I am taking this image, click in the use image. Now let me add another subcategory like handbag. So here I have to enter the handbag. After that in the parent category again I have to choose bag. After that click in the thumbnail, and from the media library suppose I am taking this image, click in the use image. After that I have to click in the add new category. So in this way you can add the subcategory for the main category. Okay, so now let me teach you how to create brands. For creating the brand I have to click in the brands tab. After that here actually you have to enter the brand name. I am giving some dummy name like brand1. After that I have to choose the thumbnail image for the brand. Here actually I have to upload the logo for the brand. Suppose that is the logo for the brand1. Click in the use image, click in the add new brand. Similarly, if you want to add some other brand like brand2, and for the brand2 let me select this image, click in the use image. So in this way let me add some more brand. After that I will come back. So as you can see I totally add 5 brand. So after that I have to create the attributes. So for that here I can see the attribute, click on that. First of all I have to create the attribute like color. Now in the type I have to choose this advanced option. After that I have to click in the add attribute option. So as you can see color attribute already added. Click on the color. Now let me add the value for the color attribute like black. After that I have to click in the add new color. After that red, again I have to click in the add new color. After that blue. So in this way you have to add the value for the color attribute. Now let me add another attribute. So for that again I have to click in the attribute option. Suppose I want to add the size attribute. So here I am writing size, and after that I have to click in the add attribute option. Now I have to click in the size. Now let me add size like XL, large, like that you can add some value for the size attribute also. So once you add all the attributes, categories and brands, now actually I have to create the product. For creating the product I have to click in the add new option. So now here actually I have to enter the product name like handbag, red color. Next here actually I have to enter the product long description. After that here actually I have to add the product category. This product belongs to the bag and the subcategory is handbag. After that here actually I have to add the tag for the product like handbag. After that I have to click in the add option. Next scroll down. So here actually I have to add the brands. Suppose this bag belongs to brand1. Okay. Next I am going to create a simple product. So in this drop down I am choosing simple. Here actually I have to enter the product rate. Suppose 600. If any sale is going on, then here actually you have to enter the discounted rate like 450 rupees. If you want to schedule the sale, always you can do that. Suppose this sale schedule 17th of the September till 25th of the September, like that you can schedule the sale. After that product is taxable or not, yes, if the product is taxable, so I am choosing taxable. After the tax class that will be GST. After that come back to the inventory. So here actually you have to enter the SKU. SKU stand for the stock keeping unit, and each and every product should have a unique SKU. After that if you want to manage the stock, always you can do that. For that you have to enable that. Suppose you have total 80 product in stock, so here actually I have to mention 80. Next I have to come back to the shipping tab. So here actually you have to enter the product weight. After that in the dimension, here actually I have to enter the product length in centimeter like 150, width is 80, height is 80. After that here in the shipping class, if the product is belong to the heavy shipping class, then you have to choose heavy. If it is a normal product, then you have to choose no shipping class. So here actually I am uploading bag product, so it's a normal weight product actually. I mean it's a less weight product. So here I am choosing no shipping class. After that no need to do anything here. Scroll down little bit. So here you can see the product short description. So here let me enter the product short description. After that here you can see the product image and product gallery image. First of all let me upload the product image. Click on the set product image. From the media library, suppose I am taking this image as product image. After that let me click in the set product image. After that I have to set the product gallery image. Let me click in the add product gallery image, and from the media library suppose I am taking this image and this image as product gallery image. After that I have to click in the add to gallery. So in this way you can create a simple product. So once you enter everything, after that you have to click in the publish. So now let me teach you how to create a variable product. The process is quite similar. First of all, for adding a new product you have to click in the add new option. After that here actually I have to enter the product name. I am giving the product name as laptop bag, and here actually I have to enter the product long description. Scroll down. Here I have to choose the product category, that is bag, and the subcategory is laptop bag. Now scroll down. If you want to enter product tag, always you can add like laptop, click in the add. After that I have to choose the brand. Next I have to choose the product regular rate. Next from this drop down I have to choose variable product because I am going to create a variable product. Next from the tax class I am choosing GST. Next directly come back to the attribute option. From there first of all let me choose the color attribute. Click in the add option. Once added I have to check both of the check boxes. Now from here actually I have to choose the value, like I am taking blue and red. After that I have to click in the save attribute option. Let me add size attribute also. Click in this and select size, and after that let me click in the add option. Again I have to check both of the check boxes. From here suppose I am taking large size and XL size, and again I have to click in the save attribute option. After that directly come back to the variation option. So in this variation option click in this, and from here let me choose create variation from all attribute, and after that I have to click in the go option. One pop-up will appear, click in the OK. After that another pop-up will appear, like 4 variation already added, click in the OK. So as you can see total 4 variation is added. Blue color large size, click on that, click in this, and from the media library suppose I am taking this image, click in the use the image. Now here actually I have to enter the variation rate like 500 rupees. If any sale is going on, then here I have to enter the discounted rate like 400. After that here I have to enter weight, length, width, height, etc. Now directly come back to the blue color and XL size, click in this, and from the media library suppose I am taking this image, click in the use image. After that again I have to enter the product regular price like 600. I forgot one thing, here also I have to enter the SKU, even here also I have to enter the SKU. It's mandatory, okay. Now red color and large size, click in this, suppose I am taking this image, click in the use image. After that rate suppose 800 rupees and discounted rate is 450. After that red color and XL size, click on that. Suppose I am taking this image, click in the set variation image, scroll down, suppose the rate is 700. So in this way you have to enter all the values. Here also have to enter the SKU, even here also have to enter the SKU. So once you enter everything, you have to click in the save changes option, and so once you save the changes, after that here actually I have to enter the product short description, scroll up little bit, and here actually you have to choose the default value. Suppose I am choosing red and XL size. Now for this red color and XL size I choose this image. This similar image actually I have to add in the product image. Click in the set product image, and from the media library suppose I am taking this image, click in the select product image. After that let me click in the add gallery image, and from the media library suppose I am taking this image and this image as product gallery image, click in the add to gallery, scroll up, and after that you have to click in the publish option. So in this way you can create a variable product. In similar manner let me create some more product with different category with different attribute, and after that I will come back. So as you can see I already create so many product with different category with different attribute. Now let me convert some normal product to a feature product. Suppose I want to convert this product to a feature product. So for that what I have to do, here you can see the star sign, you have to just click on that. When the star is empty, that means it's a normal product, but as you can see after refreshing the page the star get filled, and when I hover on it, it's showing yes, means this product now a feature product. Suppose I want to convert this product also, let me click on that. So whatever the product you want to convert as a feature product, you have to click on the star sign on that product, okay. Hope you understand the concept. So now let me design the home page. So my home page should be look like that. So first of all I have to design this slider. Let me come back here. For designing a page I have to hover on the pages and click in the add new. Let me close this one, and the title of the page I am giving as home. After that here you can see the page template. From here I am choosing Elementor full width. After that I have to click in the publish option. Once it published, I have to click in this option edit with Elementor. So in the next step I have to click in the plus option. Let me take single row and single column. After that make it full width. After that make it trace session, column gap, make it no gap. Next I have to click in this edit column option, and from here come back to the settings option. In the settings option actually here you can see the use column for I have to make it slider. Okay, hope you understand the concept. And next I have to click in this slider. So here I have to make it 1, even here also I have to make it 1, even here also. Remaining I am keeping as it is. Now I have to click in the plus option, and here let me search for the banner. So here you can see the banner, just drag and drop it here like that. Banner mean height, let me take 550 pixel. After that banner background, click on that, come back to the media library. Suppose I am taking this image, click in the insert media. After that I have to click in the banner content, So as you can see, by default there are total 2 text boxes and another button is there. Let me edit the first one, click in this. So for the first one, let me come back to the first slide. My first banner content will be this text, ready no matter what happens. So let me come back here. So here I have to write the content. Now come back to the style option. I have to make it white color. Next again I have to click in this. Now click in the typography. Suppose I am taking it 14 pixel. I think 14 is very less. Let me make it 16. Okay, that's look good. After that, click in the second one. So here actually I am writing this. Again I have to come back to the style option. First of all, I have to make it white color. After that, again I have to click on that. Now click in the typography. From here, let me click in this EM option and make it 5. Let me decrease the line height little bit. And font width also, I am making it 600. After that, here you can see the line height. I think that's looking quite good. Yeah, I'm keeping as it is. So after that, I need a divider. So for that, I have to click in the add item option. Just drag and drop it here like that. Click on that. And from here, I have to make it divider. Come back to the style option. First of all, I have to change the divider color to white color. And after that, here you can see the margin. Let me unlock it. Top I am taking 10 and bottom I am taking around 15. Next, let me click in the button. So as you can see, my button text is shop now. So here actually I have to write shop now. Remaining I am keeping as it is. Let me change the background color also. So for that, what I have to do? Here you can see the color. So color I am keeping white only, and background color, let me make it black color. After that, I have to change the border color also. So scroll down. So here you can see the border color. Let me make it black as well. Okay, now it's looking quite good. And here you can see the alignment. I have to make it left. Now I have to come back to the style option. Click in the banner content. Unlock the padding. Padding top, let me make it 14. After the orientation, I am choosing this one. Next, let me click in the left, and from there, let me click in the percentage and make it around 4. Yeah, now I think it's looking quite good. Let me increase it a little bit. I think that's look cool. Let me check the tablet preview. So in the tablet preview, as you can see, everything is looking quite perfect. Now let me check the mobile preview. So in the mobile preview, actually, I have to decrease the font size. So for that, again, I have to come back here. I have to click in the banner content. And for the second banner content, I mean for this main heading actually, click on that. Come back to the style option. And for the mobile devices, I think 20 will be the perfect. 20 is very less. Make it 25. Yeah, that's looking quite perfect. Scroll down. And the line height, I think that's perfect. Let me click in the update option, and now let me come back to the desktop preview. So now I need another banner. So what I have to do, just right click and click in the duplicate. So as you can see, now there are total 2 banners. Now let me click in the second banner, and in the second banner, first of all, I have to change the background. Click on that and come back to the media library. And in the media library, I am taking this image. Click in the insert media. After that, I have to click in this banner content. Click in this. My first text will be the best, and the color that will be black color. Again, let me click in this. After that, I have to click in the typography. I think 20 will be the perfect. Next, click in the second text area, and here my content will be this one. Come back to the style option. Here also I have to make it black color. After that, I have to click in the typography. I think the size is quite okay. No need to change anything. So after that, I need another text layer. So again, I have to click in the add item option. So as you can see, another layer added. Just drag and drop it here like that. Click on that. And my content will be this one. Come back to the style option, and from here click in this, and the font size, I think I am taking 19 pixel. After that, come back to the line height. So the line height, suppose I am taking around 24. Let me check how it's looking. So for that, I have to drag it here like that. Okay, it's coming like that. So for the second one, again, let me come back to the style option. Click in the banner content. Unlock the padding. Padding top, I am taking 13. I am keeping as it is here. After that, left, just remove the value. Click in the right. Make it percentage. Let me come back to the second slide so I can understand the position better. Okay, so it's coming like that. So you can do one thing. So here, just make it 0.7. So now let me check. Okay, it's coming perfectly now. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is. If you want to add the banner effect, always you can add. Suppose I am adding this hover effect, and in the hover effect I am making the effect 1. So my designing of the banner is complete actually. So now actually again I have to click in this. Come back to the style option. Come back to the slide, and here you can see the enable loop. Make it yes. After the show nav, yes. And outer, I don't require outer. I just make it inner. Remaining I am keeping as it is. So as you can see, my slider is coming perfectly now. If you want to change the slider color, always you can do that from here. Suppose I am making it pink color. So as you can see, the color gets changed now in the pink color. From there also you can change the hover color remaining, and if you want the dot always you can enable that. So in the downside here you can see the dots. After the dot position, make it inner. So as you can see now it's coming inner, and here you can see there are so many dot skin is available. Suppose I am making it white. So as you can see white dot is coming, but I don't require this dot, so I am disabling it. Okay. So the designing of the slider is complete. Now I have to design this icon boxes. So for that I can come back here, click in the plus option. I am taking single row and 4 column. Next I have to search for the icon box. So here you can see the icon box. Just drag and drop the icon box here like that. My first icon will be the truck icon. Click on that. Let me search for the truck. So here you can see the truck icon. Suppose I am taking this one. Click in the insert. Next I have to change the title. My title will be free shipping and my description will be on all order. Now I have to change the style little bit. So for that let me come back here. I want this icon should be visible in the pink color. So from there actually I have to change the icon color. I need this pink color so many times actually. Let me do one thing. First of all, let me set this pink color as a global color. First set any color as a global color. After clicking in this icon, here you can see the global color. After that you have to click in this gear icon. So another new window will appear as you can see. So from there actually I have to add the global color. Let me click in the add new color, and from there actually I have to choose whatever the color I want. I think I want this pink color. Let me add another global color also. Click in the add color, and I'm adding this blue color. I think that's 2 color is enough. Let me click in the update option. Once updated actually I have to click in the back to editor. Now from here actually I can easily change the color. As you can see, animation effect, I think float will be okay. Yeah, that's looking really awesome. Now what I have to do, I have to click in this because I need some left and right padding. So come back to the advanced option. From here actually I have to unlock the margin. Right margin suppose 10 and left margin also suppose 10 pixel. Next right click, click in the duplicate, right click, click in the duplicate, another time right click and click in the duplicate. Now right click, click in the delete. Even for this other 2 empty column also I have to do the same, right click and click in the delete. Yeah, now it's looking quite perfect. Now let me click in the second one. So here actually I need the card icon. Suppose I am taking this icon, click in the insert, and here actually my title will be secure payments, and in the description I am writing 100% safe. Similarly for the third one, click in this. Let me search for the phone icon. So from here suppose I am taking this icon, click in the insert, and the title will be 24/7 support, and my description will be when you need. Now click in the last one, I mean the fourth one, click in this and let me search for the return icon. So from here suppose I am taking this icon, click in the insert, and my title will be 100% return and my description will be within 30 days. Okay, it's okay. Okay, now it's done. Now let me click in the responsive preview. First of all, let me check the tablet preview. In the tablet preview, as you can see, it's coming like that, but I don't want it to display like that. So for that, what we can do, click in this, come back to the layout, make it 50. Here also click in this and make it 50. Even for other two also click in this, make it 50. Even for last one also click in this and make it 50. I think now it's really looking awesome. Now let me check the mobile preview. Okay, in the mobile preview, everything is coming perfectly. Now you can switch back to the desktop preview. So now actually I have to design this session. So for that, again let me click in the plus option. I am taking single row and single column. Now click in this, come back to the advanced option, unlock the margin. Margin top I am taking 50 and margin bottom I am taking 20 pixel. Next I have to click in the plus option, and here actually drag and drop the heading, and my heading will be popular. Next let me make it H5, make it center align and click in this. From here I am taking this blue color, come back to the advanced option, unlock the margin. Margin bottom I am taking around 10 pixel. After that click in this, drag and drop the heading downside again. Now my heading content will be our categories, make it center aligned. After that I have to change the color also, click in this, and from here I am taking this pink color. After that I need a divider also, so again I have to click in this 9 dot and let me search for the divider. So here you can see the divider, just drag and drop it downside. After that I have to make it center aligned. The width I think 20% will be perfect. Even 20% also looking quite bigger. I think make it 15. Next, if you want to change the color always you can do. For changing the color from here actually you can easily change the color. Suppose I want this black color, okay? I mean little bit gray color. So you can see it's coming like that. Let me decrease the gap and make it 0. So after that, let me take another new session. I am taking single row and single column. click in this. After that, here actually I have to search for the product category. So here you can see the product categories. Just drag and drop it here like that. From there, first of all I have to make it slider. Next, directly come back to the query. So from there actually whatever the category I want, I have to select. Suppose I want bag category, just type the bag, it will automatically search the category, as you can see. After that I need beauty product, this one. After that I need man's dress. So here you can see the man's dress. After that I need woman's dress also. Next I need perfume. So let me search for the perfume. After that I need watch. So here you can see the watch, click on that. Category count I think 8 will be perfect. Order by default, yeah, everything is coming perfectly. If you want to change the color of the text, always you can do that. So from there actually you can easily do it. But here everything I am keeping as it is. From here you can easily change the normal color and hover color. But for me I think it's looking quite perfect. Now if you want to add the navigation, always you can do that. For that actually you have to click in the slide option, and from there you have to enable this show navigation. And the navigation position I think inner will be perfect. So as you can see my navigation arrow is coming. And now if you want to change the color, always you can do that. Suppose I want normally white color. So as you can see the color gets changed here. Nav size if you want to increase, always you can increase. As you can see it get increased now. And from there you can change the nav style also, like if I make it circle. So as you can see the circular navigation is coming. But I think the simple is looking quite beautiful. So next what I have to do? So after that I have to design this portion, this best selling products. As you can see this heading section is quite similar to this one. So you can do one thing, just right click here, click in the copy, scroll down, right click, click in the paste. So next we can easily change the content. At the place of the popular I want what's new, and at the place of the category I want best selling products. So next again I have to click in this 9 dot, and here actually I have to search for the products. So here I can see the products. First of all let me take a single session. I am taking single row and single column. Now let me search for the product, click in this, and from here let me search for the products. Just drag and drop it here like that. I want a product slider, so make it slider first of all. Now directly scroll down and click in the query. So I want to display only best selling product. So here you can see the order by, make it total sale. So here you can see the total sale, click on that. So after that I have to enable the navigation, click in this, and from there actually I have to enable this navs position, that will be inner. Okay, as you can see my navigation is coming perfectly. Nav auto hide, yes, enable that. Remaining I am keeping as it is. So when you hover then only this navigation arrow will display, as you can see. So next I have to design these two banners. Before that let me check the tablet preview, and after that mobile preview. Okay, as you can see everything is coming perfectly. So after that again let me come back to the desktop preview, click in the plus option. I am taking single row and 2 column, click in this, come back to the advanced option, unlock the margin top I am taking 50 and bottom I am taking 20. Next click in this. After that here actually I have to search for the banner. So here you can see the banner, just drag and drop it here like that. Now I have to click in this. Now from the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in the insert media, and here you can see the mean height. Let me make it 350. Now come back to the banner content. So in the banner content, first of all I need this headline, man's collection. Come back to the style option. First of all let me change the color to white color. I don't need another text section, just delete that. Now click in the button, and the button text, that will be shop now. Now directly come back to the style option, click in the banner content, width let me take around 62, unlock the padding. Padding top I am taking 27, padding right I am taking 10, padding bottom I am taking 30, padding left I am taking 10. After that here in the position I am taking this one. Yeah, now it's really looking awesome. I think this button color also I have to change. It's not looking good. I want pink color button. As you can see in my demo, this pink color button is really looking awesome. So you can come back here, click in the banner content again, click in this, come back to the style of the button, scroll down. So here you can see the color for the background, click in this and make it pink color. Even for the border also I have to change the color. So you can click in this. So here you can see the border color, click in this and make it pink color. Yeah, now it's looking quite cool. Next, right click, click in the copy, right click and click in the paste option. Next from here I have to change the background image. So from the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in the insert media. So now I have to click in the banner content. So at the place of the man's collection I want women's collection. Now let me come back to the button, and here actually you have to enter the link for the women's collection. Similarly for the man's collection also, in the button you have to give the link for the man's collection. It's a common concept, so I am not entering the original link because it's a dummy website only. So next what I have to do, I need some hover effect. because when I hovering on the image you can see nothing, but in my demo website you can see when I hovering on them you can see some zoom effect. So for that what I have to do, so let me click in this and come back to the style option, come back to the banner effect. So now here you can see the hover effect, just make it zoom. Even for this one also, click in this, come back to the style option, click in the banner effect, and here you can see the hover effect, just make it zoom. Okay, now it's really looking awesome. So now let me check the tablet preview. So okay, it's perfect. Now let me check the mobile preview also. Okay, as you can see everything is coming perfectly. You can switch back to the desktop preview. So after that actually I have to design this session. It's quite easy. Scroll up, just right click here and click in the copy, scroll down, right click here, and after that you have to click in the paste. Now I have to change the content, like at the place of the what's new I want best of the best. After that at the place of the best selling product I want it should be feature products. Just right click here, click in the copy, right click and click in the paste. Now directly come back to the query. So from there first of all click in this and make it default. After that here you can see the product status, just make it feature because I want to display only the feature products. It's done. So in the next step actually I have to design this banner. So for that I can come back here, click in the plus option, and I am taking single row and single column, and after that I have to click in this and make it full width, and from there I have to make it registration. Column gap I have to make it no gap. Click in this. After that I have to click in this plus option and let me search for the banner. So here you can see the banner, just drag and drop it here like that. Now click in this, and from the media library suppose I am taking this image. After that I have to click in the insert media. Next I have to click in the banner content, click in the first text box. My content will be Black Friday sales. Come back here, make it white color. After that again I have to click in that, and here I have to click in the typography and make it around 42 pixel. Next I have to click in the second one, and in the second text box I want to write this. Again I have to come back to the style option. First of all I have to make it white color. After that again I have to click on that, and from here I have to click in the typography and make it around 22 pixel. Yeah, that's really looking awesome. Make it right aligned. Next I have to come back to this one, I mean style option. From there I have to click in the banner content, click in this, and I'm taking this one. Yeah, I think it's really looking awesome now. No need to change anything. Now let me check the tablet preview. So in the tablet preview as you can see it's coming like that. So in the tablet preview just toggle with this little bit. I think that's looking perfect. Now let's come back to the mobile preview. So in the mobile preview as you can see it's coming like that. Now let me decrease it little bit. Okay, it's looking awesome now. Another thing we can do, let me come back here and click in the banner content for the mobile. In the mobile alignment make it center aligned. After that click in this, and from here actually just come back to the style option because I want to decrease the size little bit. I think that's look perfect. Now click in the second one, come back to the style, click in the typography. Yeah, I think that's perfect. Next you have to click in the update option. Now let me come back to the desktop preview. So after that what I have to do, if you come to the demo website, here you can see some spark effect are coming. So for that what I have to do, again I have to come back to the style option. From there I have to click in the banner effect. Now click in this, and from there I am making this spark. Okay, it's really looking awesome now. So after that what I have to do, I have to design this blog session. Before designing this blog session actually I have to create blogs. So for that what I have to do, let me first of all update this. Now I have to click in this and click in this. From there make it dashboard. After that I have to click in the apply. After that again I have to click in the update, and after that let me click in this exit option. So now actually I have to create some blog. So that is my dashboard. For creating the blog post I have to hover on the post, and after that I have to click in the add new option. Now here actually I have to write the blog post title. After that here actually I have to write the blog post content. Now I have to click in the post option. From there I have to click in the feature image, click in the set feature image. From the media library suppose I am taking this image. After that I have to click in the set feature image, and after that I have to click in the publish option. Once it published, again I have to click in this W option. After for adding a new blog post, again I have to click in the add new option. After that here I have to write the title, and here I have to write the description. Next come back to the post, again I have to click in the feature image, and from the media library suppose I am taking this image, click in the set feature image, and after that I have to click in the publish option. Next again I have to click in the W option. In similar manner let me create some more blog post, and after that I will come back. And before that actually that is the default blog post. If you want to keep as it is you can keep, but here I am deleting it. Just click in the trash option so it will get deleted. So as you can see I already create total 4 blog posts. So now again I have to come back to the home page. So for that I have to click in the pages. Next I have to hover on the home and click in the edit with Elementor option. Now scroll down, click in the plus option. Now actually I have to design this session. So that is quite similar to this session actually. So we can do one thing, right click, click in the copy, right click and click in the paste. Okay, it's done. So now let me take single row and single column. And before that actually I have to change the content also. Like at the place of this I want featured. So here I have to mention featured, and at the place of the feature property I want to write this one. So copy it, come back here, and here I have to mention the content. After that I have to click on the plus option, and here actually I have to search for the post. So here you can see the post, just drag and drop it here like that. I want a slider, so make it slider first of all. Next scroll down, directly come back to the query. And from there I want to display total 4 posts, so I am making it 4. Remaining here I am keeping as it is. Come back to the post type, disable this one, and scroll down a little bit. I want this style, so I am choosing this one. You can choose according to your wish. Yeah, it's coming perfectly. Let me click in the update option. Now come back to the style option. From there click in the slider, enable that, enable this one also, make it inner. Let me change the color also. So for that click in this and make it white color. If you want to enable the dot always you can do that. So for that you have to enable this one. So next what I have to do, I have to design this portion, this feature product, best selling product and on sale product. Let me come back here, click in the plus option. I am taking single row and 3 column. After that I need some top margin, click in this, come back to the advanced option, unlock it. Margin top I am taking around 50 pixel and margin bottom I am taking around 20 pixel. After that I have to click in this, and here I need a heading, just drag and drop the heading, and my heading will be featured, make it H3. Come back to the style option. First of all I have to make it black color. After that I need a divider, click in this. Let me search for the divider. So here I can see the divider, just drag and drop it downside. The divider width I think 15% will be perfect. The divider gap I have to decrease. Click in this, gap make it 0. I think the width I have to increase a little bit. I think 30 will be perfect. Okay. So next what I have to do, again I have to click in this 9 dot, and here I have to search for the products. So here you can see the products, just drag and drop it downside of the divider. Now here I have to make it 1, even here also I have to make it 1, even here also. So that is the feature products. So for that first of all I have to come back to the query, and here I have to make it featured. Next scroll down, product type. So in the product type just disable this one, scroll down a little bit, and I am taking this one. Okay, now it's looking quite beautiful, but I don't want to display all this 10 product. I want to display only 4 products. So you can scroll up, click in the query and just make it 4. So now you can see only 4 products are displaying. Now just right click, click in the duplicate, another time right click and click in the duplicate. Now right click and click in the delete. Even here also right click and click in the delete. Now for the second one, click in this, and my title will be best selling. Now click in this, and from there I have to click in this query, make it all, click in this, and from here I have to click in the total sale. Now click in the third one, and here actually I have to write on sale. Now click in this, come back to the query, and here you can see this on sale, click on that, and here I have to make it default. So now let me click in the responsive preview. First of all let me check the tablet preview. In tablet preview it's coming like that. Actually in the original preview it's not look like that. For that if you want to check, just click in the update option first of all. Here you can see it's overlapping, but in the real website it will not happen like that. So for that let me click in the preview option. As you can see that is the original preview and it display properly. You can come back here. Now click in the mobile preview. So in the mobile preview it's coming perfectly. Now we can switch back to the desktop preview. So after that actually I have to design this our client session. So you can come back here. I have to copy this session, right click, and after that I have to click in the copy, right click here and click in the paste. So here the title will be brands. So here actually at the place of the featured I have to write brands. Next I need the our clients. So come back here at the place of this, here I have to write our clients. Next I have to click in this and let me search for the brand. Just drag and drop the brands downside, and from here let me make it type 1 and make it slider. Okay, now it's coming perfectly. If you want to display the navigation, then you have to come back here, enable that. So as you can see, the navigation window is coming perfectly. Enable this one, and after that nav position, let me make it inner. Okay, it's looking quite perfect. So the designing of the home page is complete. Next I have to design the about us page. So for that, let me click in the update option first of all. After that I have to click in this, and from there I have to click in the exit option. Now for designing the about us page, I have to hover on the pages, and after that I have to click in the add new option. Title of the page I am giving as about us, and after that in the template I am choosing Elementor full width. After that I have to click in the publish option. Next I have to click in the edit with Elementor option. My about us page should be look like that. So for that let me come back here first of all. Let me click in the plus option. I am taking single row and single column. After that I need a heading. Click in this, drag and drop the heading here. My heading will be who we are, and after that come back to the style option. From here I need the pink color. After that click in this, and here in the front weight let me make it 400. Again let me come back here and let me make it H3. After that I need another heading. Again I have to click in this, drag and drop the heading downside, and my heading content now will be this one. Come back here, make it black color. Remaining I am keeping as it is. Again I have to click in the 9 dot, drag and drop the text editor downside, and my text editor content will be this one. So just copy it, come back here, and here I have to mention the content. Come back to the style option. First of all I have to make it deep black color. Click in the typography. I think 18 pixel will be perfect. So next I need 2 images. Again I have to click in the plus option. Let me take single row and 2 column. Click in this, drag and drop the image here. Click in this from the media library. Suppose I am taking this image. Click in the insert media. Similarly again I have to click in the plus option here. Drag and drop the image here also. Click in this, and from the media library I am taking this image. Click in the insert media. Next I need another text editor. So again I have to click in this, click in the single row and single column, click in this and drag and drop the text editor here, and my text editor content will be this one. So just copy it, come back here, and here I have to mention the content. Right click here, click in the copy, right click here and click in the paste style. So next again I have to click in the plus option. Let me take single row and 2 column. Next come back to this, click in this, and from here I am choosing black color background. Come back to this, unlock the margin. So now I have to click in this, drag and drop the image here like that. Click in this, and from the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in the insert media. Now I have to click in this, this edit column option. Come back to the advanced option, unlock the margin. Margin top I am taking -100. After that margin bottom, let me take -50. Do one thing, click in this again, and the margin top let me take around 100 pixel. So next what I have to do, I have to click in this, drag and drop the heading here first of all, and I think I forgot one thing. Click in this and come back to the layout. Here is the vertical aligned actually. I have to make it middle. Next I have to click in this title, and here in this case my title will be this one. So why we choose us. Come back here, and here I have to write why choose us, and from here let me make it H3. Come back to the style option. Here the color I choose this pink color. Click in the typography, and from here the font weight let me make it 300. I think 400 will be perfect. Yeah. Next again click in this, drag and drop the heading downside, and now my heading will be our services. So let me come back here, and here I have to mention our services. Next come back to the style option. First of all I have to make it white color. Click in this. I think 50 pixel will be perfect. So after that I need a text editor. Drag and drop the text editor downside, and my text editor content will be this one. Copy it, come back here, and here I have to mention the content. Come back to the style option. First of all I have to make it white color. Next I have to click in the typography option. I think 16 pixel or 18 pixel will be perfect. Next I need the progress bar. Again I have to click in this 9 dot. Let me search for the progress bar. So here you can see the progress bar. Just drag and drop it downside like that, and from here by default total 3 progress bar will be there. So here actually you have to mention the progress bar title name, like performance. Here I am mentioning that. and the percentage you have to mention here. Hope you understand the concept. Here the parameter I am keeping as it is because it's a dummy website. If you want always you can change. Suppose I want to change the percentage for the average improvement, and suppose I am making it 69. So as you can see, it's automatically changed here. Now the spacing, suppose I am taking 20, and here actually this percentage position make it after title. Now come back to the style option. The title color I want that should be white color, and here you can see the color type. Click in this, and from here I am choosing this pink color. Okay, now it's coming perfectly. And the effect I am making this one. So after that I have to design this our team session. You can come back here, click in the plus option. Let me take single row and single column. Click in this, come back to the style option, unlock the margin. Margin top I am taking 100. Click in this again, drag and drop the heading here, and my heading will be our team. Come back here, and here I have to mention our team. Next make it is 3. Come back here, make it pink color. After that click in this, and from here the font width making 400. After that I have to make it center aligned. Next again I have to click in this 9 dot. After that again I have to drag and drop the heading here like that. Come back here, so my heading will be this one. So I have to mention the content here, make it center aligned. Come back here, I have to make it deep black color. Next again I have to click in this. I need total single row and 3 column, because as you can see here there is total 3 team member. So here actually first of all I have to mention some top padding or top margin. Suppose I am giving the top margin around 10 pixel. Next I have to click in this. After that here actually I have to search for the image box. So here you can see the image box. Just drag and drop it here like that, and type I am making it pop up. Click in this, and from the media library I am taking this image. Click in the insert. After that I have to click in the content, make it center aligned. At the title I have to mention the name of the person. Enable the show button. Now click in the button. The button label I am writing the position, I mean designation, like CEO. Okay, it's coming like that. Now directly come back to the style option. Now directly come back to the content. First of all the color I am changing it deep black color. I think little bit dark gray color is will be perfect. I think that's perfect. Now click in the title. Title color I want that should be white color. Now I have to click in the button. Before that do one thing, the title color, click in the typography and make it around 22 pixel. Even 25 also will be perfect. Now directly come back to the button. So here actually the color I want this pink color. After the background color, I doesn't want the background color. Just decrease the opacity to 0. Similarly for the border color also, decrease the opacity to 0. Yeah, now it's looking quite cool. Next what I have to do, just right click here, click in the duplicate. Another time right click and click in the duplicate. Now right click here and click in the delete option. Even for this one also right click, and after that I have to click in the delete option. Now click in the second one. First of all I have to change the image. Click in this, and from the media library, suppose I am taking this image. Click in the insert media. After that click in the content. Let me change the title. Come back to the button. So here suppose I am writing MD. Now click in the third one. Click in this, and from the media library, suppose I am taking this image. Click in the insert media. Come back to the content. Let me change the title, and after that come back to the button. Let me change the designation. Now let me check the responsive preview. Click in this. First of all let me check the tablet preview. Okay, it's coming perfectly. Now let me check the mobile preview also. So the mobile preview, as you can see, it's coming like that. So you can do one thing. Just click in this, come back to the advanced option, unlock the margin. Margin top take around 25 pixel. I think I have to make it more, around 50 pixel. Similarly for this one also, click in this and come back to advanced option, unlock it, margin top, let me take 50. Okay, now it's looking quite cool. But here actually you can see there is some overlap issue. So you can easily fix that. Just click in this, come back to the advanced option, and let me increase the top margin little bit, around 20 pixel or maybe 30 pixel. Okay, now it's looking quite good. So next let me come back to the desktop preview again. After that I have to click in the update option. So next actually I have to design this testimonial session. For designing the testimonial session, actually first of all I have to take this background. Come back here, click in the plus option. Let me take single row and single column. After that I have to click in this. Come back here, click in this. Top margin I am taking around 100 pixel. Now I have to click in the settings option. Click in this. And from here, from the media library, suppose I am taking this image as background image. Click in the insert media. Come back to the advanced option. Unlock the padding. Padding top I am taking around 150 pixel. Padding bottom also I am taking around 150 pixel. Now for the tablet, padding top I am taking 100 and padding bottom also I am taking around 100. Another thing I forgot, click in this. Here you can see the attachment position actually. I have to make it cover. Another thing I forgot actually, click in this. Here you can see the size, I have to make it cover. And here you can see the attachment, I have to make it scroll. Position, let me make it center. Now I have to click in this, drag and drop the heading here. And my title will be testimonial. Make it center aligned. Click in this, and from here let me make it white color. Next I need a divider. Click in this, let me search for the divider here. So drag and drop the divider downside. After that divider width, I think 20% will be perfect. Make it center aligned. Come back here. The color I want it should be in white color. After that again I have to click in this. And now let me search for the testimonial. Just drag and drop the testimonial downside. And another thing I forgot actually, for this divider, come back to the style option and here you can see the gap, just make it 0, okay. Now again I have to click in the testimonial. So from there actually you can easily change the testimonial name, role, description, everything you can change. Even you can upload the avatar also, but it's a dummy website, so here everything I'm keeping as it is. So after writing the content of the testimonial and uploading the avatar images and names, directly come back to the testimonial type. So from here I'm choosing the standard one. Remaining everything I'm keeping as it is. Come back to the testimonial layout, make it slider and let me make it 1. Even here also let me make it 1. Remaining everything I'm keeping as it is. Now directly come back to the style option. From there let me click in the comment. The color I have to change it white color. Even the name also I have to change it in white color. After that here you can see the designation or role. Make it pink color. I think pink color is not looking good. Make it white also. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is. After that if you want to enable the nav, click in the slider and from there you have to first of all enable the loop and after that enable the nav. Enable this one also and the position. I think outer is perfect. No problem here. So next if you want to change the color, always you can do that. Suppose I am making it white color, so you can see it's coming white color now. Let me click in the update option. So after that actually I have to design counters. As you can see there is counters. So for that again I have to click in the plus option. Let me take single row and 4 column. After that I have to click in this. Come back to the advanced option. Unlock it. Top I am taking around 50 pixel. Next I have to click in this. So after that actually I have to design this counter box. So for that again I have to click in the plus option. Let me take single row and single column. Click in this. Come back to the advanced option. Unlock the margin top I am taking around 50 pixel. So next here I have to click in this plus option and let me search for the counters. So here you can see the counters. Just drag and drop it here like that. So by default there will be total 3 counter. I need total 4, so again I have to click in the plus option. Next let me click in the first one. So here actually that value I am entering 35. If you want to add any icon, always you can add the icon here. But here I am keeping everything as it is. The prefix I not required. The suffix I am adding the plus icon. And here I am writing year of experience and in the description I am writing this one, okay. Now let me come back to the second one. So here I am writing 15 and in the suffix I am writing plus and the title I am writing award on. The content everything I am keeping as it is. Now directly come back to the third one. So here actually I am writing 24 and in the suffix I am writing HR means hour. After that the title I am writing support available and the description I am keeping as it is. Now come back to the fourth one. So for the fourth one, here I am writing in the suffix percentage and here I am writing happy customers. Now come back to the layout option. So here actually I want to display total 4 counter box. Okay, now it's coming perfectly. Okay, for the fourth one actually I forgot to write the description. My description will be this one, okay. Just copy it from here, come back here and here actually I have to mention the description. Okay, now it's coming perfectly. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is. If you want slider then always you can enable this one. But here I am keeping it grid only. Click in this. Here also everything I am keeping as it is. Just counter color I have to change and I have to make it pink color. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is. Let me click in this. So as you can see it's coming like that. So you can do one thing in the layout actually. Just make it 2 for this one, okay, and for this one I think 1 will be perfect. Let me check the mobile preview so you can easily understand the concept. If I make it 2, it's look like that. So it's up to you, okay. If you like this preview then make it 2 and if you like this one then you have to make it 1, okay. Remaining I am keeping as it is. The design of the about us page is also complete. So next I have to design the contact us page. So for that let me first of all update it. And after updated, you have to click in this and click in the exit to dashboard. So as you can see my contact us page should be look like that. So as you can see in the contact us page there is a contact form. So first of all let me design this contact form. Let me come back to the dashboard and after that let me click in the WP form. Now I have to click in the create your form. For creating a new form, let me click in the let's go. Let me click in the use template for this simple contact form. So as you can see in this form actually there is one extra subject field and another is order ID field. Remaining field already present here. And another thing I have to do, click in this and come back to the advanced option. From there click in this one, hide subtitle and make it large. Even for this email field also click in this and make it large. After that I have to click in this add field option. From there I have to click in this single line text. Now just drag and drop this single line text here. Now click in the single line text and here let me write subject. After that come back to the advanced option. Make it large and in the general option make it required. After that I need another field. Again I have to click in this single line text because I need now this order ID field. Okay, so just drag and drop it here like that and click in this. Come back to the advanced option, make it large and come back to the general option. Here I have to write order ID. Okay, remaining I am keeping everything as it is. Let me click in the save option. Now let me close this one. So after that I have to create the contact us page. So for that, hover on the pages and click in the add new. So next here actually I have to enter the page title, that is contact us. In the template I am choosing Elementor full width. After that I have to click in the publish option. Once done I have to click in the edit with Elementor option. So now first of all I need the Google map. Click in the plus option, take single row and single column. Click in this. From there I have to make it full width. Column gap, make it no gap. Trace session, enable that. Click in the plus option. Drag and drop the text editor here and come back here. Suppose that is my location, so click in this, and after that you have to click in the share location, and after that you have to click in the embed map option. Now you have to click in this copy HTML option. Make sure you choose the exact location, okay, then only this map will come. Copy it, come back here and come back to the text mode. First of all select everything, remove everything and paste the code here. Now from here actually you can easily adjust the size. Here you can see the height. Suppose I want to increase the height to 500 pixel, so just write 500. It will automatically resize it. Okay, next what I have to do, scroll down, click in the plus option. I am taking single row and two column. Now click in this, and here actually I need an image. Just drag and drop the image, click in this, and from the media library let me take this image. Click in the insert media option, and after that actually I have to click in this one also, and here you can see this style option because I need little bit gray color background. Come back here, unlock the margin and padding. After that I have to click in this one, click in this, unlock the margin top, let me take around 50 pixel. So next what I have to do, just drag and drop the inner section downside like that. Now I need only single row, so let me delete one. Next I have to click in this one, and here come back to the advanced option, unlock the margin top, let me take around 50 pixel. After that unlock the padding also, so padding right let me take around 50 pixel, and padding left also I am taking 50 pixel. Next just drag and drop the heading here like that, and my heading will be get in touch. So here I have to mention get in touch. Come back here, and the color I want deep black color. Next again I have to click in this, and let me search for the icon list. So here you can see the icon list. Just drag and drop it downside, so it's coming like that. Click in this, click in the first one. Let me search for the envelope icon. Let me take this one, click in the insert option and click in this. Here actually I have to mention my email ID. After that click in the second one, and here actually I need the phone icon. So suppose I am taking this one, click in the insert. Now click in this, and here actually I have to mention my phone number. Now click in the third one. Here actually I need my map icon because I want to upload the address here, and after that here actually I have to mention my address. So after that click in this space between, let me increase the space little bit. After that let me click in the icon. I have to increase the icon size also little bit, and the icon color I want this pink color. Let me increase the size little bit more. I think 30 will be perfect, and the alignment that should be centered. Now click in the text. So for the text also click in the typography. Let me increase the size a little bit. I think that's looking quite perfect. Okay, remaining everything I am keeping as it is. Now let me click in this and drag and drop the title bar here, and my title will be this one, have a problem. Come back here, and here I have to mention that. Click in this, and from here let me make it black color. After that again I have to click in this, and let me search for the WP form. So here you can see the WP form. Just drag and drop it downside, and from there let me select this simple contact form. So as you can see my form is coming perfectly. Now let me click in the responsive preview, click in the tablet. So in the tablet preview it's coming like that. Do one thing, click in this, come back to the layout option, make it 40, click in this, and let me make it 60. Okay, now it's looking quite good. Even if you want you can make it 50-50 also, like here I am making it 50, and for this one also click in this and make it 50. Now let me check the mobile preview. So the mobile preview, as you can see, it's coming perfectly. Next let me click in the update option, come back to the desktop preview. Here if you want you can add one extra thing also. Click in this 9 dot and let me search for the social. So here you can see the social. Just drag and drop it here downside like that, and click in this. So by default only 3 icon is there. If you want to add more social media icon, you have to click in the plus option, click in this, and from there actually you have to search for the icon. Suppose I am searching for the Instagram. Click on this, click in the insert option. So in this way you can add the extra social media icon also here, and after that here actually you have to enter the Instagram handle link. Hope you understand the concept. Next, let me click in the update option. So now let me design the order tracking page. Click in this, click in the exit option. After that, again I have to hover on the pages and click in the add new. My order tracking page actually should be look like that. So again let me come back here. So the page title I am writing order tracking, and in the template I am choosing Elementor Fluid. After that I have to click in the publish option. Once it published, I have to click in this edit with Elementor option. So now let me click in the plus option. I am taking single row and 2 column. Click in this, and from here the vertical aligned actually I have to make it middle. Click in this plus option. Just drag and drop the image here. Click in this. From the media library actually I have to find this image. So let me come back here. So that is the image what I looking for. Click in the insert media. Now click in this plus option, and here actually I have to search for the short code. So here you can see the short code. Just drag and drop it here, and my short code will be in bracket WooCommerce underscore order underscore tracking, and after that I have to close the bracket. So as you can see, this tracking form is already come here. After that I have to click in the update option. Once it updated, again I have to click in this, and after that I have to click in the exit option. Now one page left out, that is the blog page. So again I have to hover on the page, and after that I have to click in the add new option. Page title I am writing as blog, and after that I have to click in the publish option. So it's done here. Next again I have to click in this W option, because I am going to creating the default homepage and blog page now. So hover on the settings, and after that I have to click in the reading option for set up default homepage and blog page. Next I have to choose this option, and for the homepage I am choosing home, and for the post page I am choosing blog, and after that I have to click in the save changes. So it's done here. So I designed almost all the pages. Now actually I have to design the header. So now for designing the header actually, first of all I have to create the menu. So as you can see in my demo website actually, in the header there is a main menu. I have to create this menu actually. So for that I have to hover on the appearance, and after that I have to click in the menus. First of all I have to enter the menu name, and from here I am choosing main menu, and after that I have to click in the create menu option. So my menu already created. Now I have to add the menu item. Let me click in the view all. So from there actually I need home page, blog page, about us page, after that contact us page, order tracking page, shop page. After that I have to click in the add to menu. So now actually I have to arrange them little bit. Like after home page that should be about us page, after about us page that should be shop page, next blog page, after that order tracking page, and last will be contact us page. Now let me click in the save menu option. At the same time actually I have to create another menu for the mobile devices. Again I have to click in the create a new menu for creating a new menu. After that the title I am giving as mobile menu, and after that I have to click in the create menu option. So in the mobile menu also let me click in the view all option. After that let me click in the home, blog, about us, after that order tracking, shop, wish list, and after that I have to click in the add new option. After that I have to click in the add to menu option. Next from here actually I have to arrange a little bit, like after home there will be about us page, and after that there should be shop page, next will be order tracking page. Remaining I am keeping as it is. Okay, I forgot to add the contact us page also, so let me add that also. Click in the add to menu. Okay, now it's looking quite perfect. Let me click in the save menu option. So now actually I have to design the header. For designing the header actually I have to hover on the U designing, and after that I have to click in the templates option. So I want to create a header, so let me click in this header builder. After that I have to click in the add new template. So from this actually I have to choose header builder, and after that here actually I have to enter the header template name. I am giving the name as header1. Okay, and after that let me click in the create template option. So as you can see in my demo website, in the header top there is a pink top bar, and that content this heading, after that mobile number, and after that email ID. So let me come back here, click in the plus option. From there suppose I am taking single row and 2 column. After that let me click in the intersection in the navigator. So from there actually first of all I have to come to this one, and from there the background color I am taking this pink color. After that I have to come to the settings option. From there the margin top and bottom I am taking both 0, and after that in the padding also first of all I have to unlock it. Padding top I am taking around 5, and padding bottom also I am taking around 5. Next I have to click in this plus option, and here actually I need the heading. Just drag and drop the heading like that. Suppose that will be the content, and from here in the HTML tag let me make it paragraph. Now come back to the style option. First of all I have to make it white color. Now click in this. From the line height just make it 0. After that I have to click in the typography, and from that font width let me make it 400. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is. Now directly click in this one and let me search for the icon box. So here you can see the icon box, just drag and drop it here like that. The icon that should be phone icon, so let me search for the phone here. So here you can see the phone icon, click on that. After that I have to click in the insert option, and here in the title actually I have to give my phone number. Scroll down, click in the layout. First of all I have to change the icon position to left, and the alignment I have to make it centered. Vertical align, make it middle. Now come back to the style option. So in the style actually the spacing let me make it 5, and the icon size let me take around 12 pixel. Icon color let me make it white color. Next click in the title. So in the title color also I need that should be white color. Again come back here, and here actually I doesn't need any description, so select everything and just remove it. Okay, so as you can see it's coming like that. So again let me come back to the style option. So here actually in the title I have to click in the typography and let me make it 12 pixel. Next actually I have to come back to the advanced option. So from there actually here you can see the width, make it inline auto. And another thing I have to do, click in this, and here actually here you can see the horizontal align, I have to make it end. Just right click, and after that I have to click in the duplicate. Now here actually in the second one I need envelope icon. Suppose I am taking this icon, click in the insert option, and at the place of the phone number here actually I have to enter my email ID. And another thing actually I forgot to tell you, you have to click in the session, come back to the layout. So here you can see the column gap, I have to make it no gap. Okay, so now it's looking quite beautiful. So after that what I have to do, I want this top bar should display only in the desktop devices, and it should not be displayed in the mobile or tablet devices. So for that what I have to do, I have to click in this advanced option. From there you have to come back to the responsive. So here you can see the hide on tablet, hide on desktop, and hide on mobile. So from there I have to enable this hide on tablet and hide on mobile. Okay, so this portion only get display in the desktop preview or desktop devices. So now again let me click in this plus option and let me take single row and 2 column. So now let me click in this, come back to the layout and make it around 68. Okay, so now actually let me click in this plus option, and here actually I have to search for the logo. So here you can see the site logo, just drag and drop it here, and after that here you can see the logo width, let me make it 160. After that I have to click in the settings option, in this advanced option, and here you can see the width, just make it inline auto. Okay, next again I have to click in this, and here actually I have to search for the menu. Here you can see the menu, just drag and drop it here like that. Next from this actually I have to choose main menu. After that I have to come back to this one, and here you can see the width, just make it inline auto. Okay, now you can see it's coming perfectly. Another thing actually I forgot, I have to click in this, and here you can see the vertical line, I have to make it middle. So next what I have to do, I have to click in this plus option, and here actually I have to search for the search icon. So here you can see the search, just drag and drop it here. After that in the type, just make it toggle. Remaining here everything I am keeping as it is. Directly come back to the advanced option. Here also width I have to make it inline auto. Next again I have to click in this 9 dot, and here actually I have to search for the account option. So here you can see the account, just drag and drop it downside of the search. Even here also I have to click in this advanced option, and the width I have to make it inline auto. Similarly again I have to click in this, and I have to search for the wish list. So here you can see the wish list, just drag and drop it here downside of the my account option. Even here also I have to click in this advanced option, and the width I have to make it inline auto. Again come back to the content option, and from this drop down make it off canvas. So label not required, so icon before that also not required, and here the wishlist type let me make it block. So after that again I have to click in this 9 dot, and here actually I have to search for the cart. So here you can see the cart, just drag and drop it downside of the wish list. Here also I have to make it off canvas, enable this one, I am disabling this show label option. Remaining I am keeping as it is. So now let me switch back to the tablet preview. So in the tablet preview actually I does not want to display this one, this main menu. So just come back here in the advanced option, and here you can see the responsive, and from here actually I have to make it hide on tablet and hide on mobile. And another thing I have to do, I have to click in this, and the width let me make it 50. Even for this one also click in this and let me make it 50. Now let me switch back to the mobile preview. So the mobile preview, as you can see, it's coming like that, but I don't want it should look like that. So for that let me click in this, come back to the advanced option, click in the responsive, and here you can see the reverse on mobile, just enable this one. Okay, now it's looking quite perfect. And another thing actually I forgot, switch back to the desktop preview. I have to click in this one, and here the horizontal align, I have to make it end. After that, let me click in the update option. Once it updated, click in this and click in the exit option. So after that, actually I have to again hover on the UDesign, and after that I have to click in the layout builder. So from there I have to click in this header, click in this, and from here I am choosing header 1. Similarly for the shop also, click in this, and from here I am choosing header 1. Even for the blog also, click in this, and from here I am choosing header 1. Similarly for the same thing you have to do for the another layout also. Click in this and make it header 1. Even for this one also, click in this, and from here I am making it header 1. Okay. After that I have to click in the save layout. Another thing I forgot, again click in the template option. Again hover on the header 1 and click in the edit with Elementor. From here let me click in this and let me search for the mobile toggle. So here you can see the mobile toggle. Just drag and drop it before the logo, and from here actually what you have to do, you have to click in this, and from here you can see the width, I have to make it inline auto. After that you have to click in the update option. So now you can see my header is coming perfectly. Even in the tablet preview it's coming like that, and in the mobile preview as you can see it's coming like that. Even in the mobile preview also you can see this mobile menu is also coming perfectly. But I want the header should be sticky actually. Even for the desktop device also, as you can see it's not sticky, but I want it should be sticky. So for that what I have to do, I have to click in this, this edit session option. From there I have to click in this settings option, and here you can see the sticky content. Just you have to enable this one, and after that you have to click in the update option. Now if I come back here and refresh the page, so now if I scroll the page, here you can see a beautiful sticky menu, and it's really looking awesome. So the designing of the header is complete. Now actually I have to design the footer. So before designing the footer, let me check how my footer should be look like. So my footer should be look like that. So as you can see in the footer actually I need a newsletter form, and after that I need total 3 menus. So for that, first of all let me create this newsletter form. So for that let me click in this, and after that let me click in the exit option. After that I have to click in this WP form. Now let me click in the add new option. Let me hover this newsletter sign up form and click in the use template option. I does not need this name field, so let me delete that. Click in the OK. Click in this, and from here I does not require any label, so just remove it. Come back to the advanced option. So here you can see the size, make it large, and at the place of the submit actually I want it should be subscribe, and here in the placeholder I need enter your email. Now let me come back to the settings option. So here at the place of the submit I need it should be subscribe. Now let me click in this advanced option, scroll down a little bit. So here you can see the form CSS class. So here I am writing WP forms dash row, okay, and here I am writing email dash 2. After that let me save the form. So designing of this newsletter form is complete. So next what I have to do, let me click in this exit option. After that actually I have to design total 3 menu. As you can see in my demo website there is total 3 menu. So I have to design this 3 menu. So for that I have to hover on the appearance, and after that I have to click in the menus. For creating a new menu I have to click in this create a new menu option. I am giving the menu name as footer 1, and after that I have to click in the create menu option. Now scroll down. So here you can see the WooCommerce endpoint. So from there suppose I am taking order, download, address, payment method, account details, lost password. Click in the add to menu. After that I have to click in the save menu option. Next I have to create another menu. So again I have to click in this option, create a new menu, and here actually I need the product category also. So for that I have to click in this, and from there I have to click in this product category. I am giving the menu name as footer 2. After that I have to click in this create menu option. Now in this footer 2 actually let me click in this product category, click in the view all. So let me add all the subcategory for the women's dress here. Click in the add to menu. After that I have to click in the save menu option. So now again I have to create another menu. So again I have to click in this create a new menu option. Menu name I am giving as footer 3. Again I have to click in the create menu option. So after that here actually again I have to click in this product category. From there click in the view all. So here let me add all the subcategory for the man's dress, and after that I have to click in the add to menu. Next I have to click in the save menu option. So after that I have to come back to the dashboard. Next I have to hover on this and click in the templates, click in the footer builder. After that I have to click in the add new template. From there make sure in this drop down I have to choose footer builder. After the name I am giving as my footer, and after that I have to click in the create template option. First of all let me click in the plus option. I am taking single row and single column. Click in this, come back here in the style option, click in this, and from here suppose I am taking this black color. Next Again I have to click in this 9 dot, drag and drop the inner session downside. Again I have to click in this 9 dot, drag and drop the heading here, and my heading content will be this one, subscribe to our newsletter. So here I have to mention that. After that click in this, and from here let me take white color. After that again I have to click in this and drag and drop the text editor downside, and my text editor content will be this one. Copy it, come back here, and here actually I have to mention the content. After that come back here, click in this, and from here let me make it white color. If you want to increase the font size always you can do, but here I am keeping everything as it is. Now let me click in this plus option, and here actually I have to search for the WP form. Just drag and drop this WP form here like that. Now from here I have to choose newsletter sign up form. Okay, so it's come like that. Let me do one thing, click in this and click in this, and here you can see the vertical align. I have to make it middle. Even for this one also, I mean for this inner session also, the vertical align I have to make it middle. So now actually I need another inner session. So what we can do, just right click and click in the duplicate. So now from here let me delete this one, even delete this one also, even delete this one also, because I doesn't require that. Okay, and here actually I need total 4 column. So what I have to do, I have to right click here, click in the duplicate, even another time right click and click in the duplicate. Next what I have to do, I need some button padding. So click in this and come back to this advanced option. Better to give some bottom margin. Unlock the margin, bottom margin around 30 pixel. Okay, next I have to click in this, drag and drop the heading here, and my heading will be contact info. Copy it, come back here. So here I have to mention contact info, make it H5, even H4 also I think better. Yeah, let me make it H4. It's up to you actually totally. Now let me make it white color. So after that again I have to click in this, just drag and drop the text editor downside, and my text editor content will be this one. Come back here and let me mention it here. Okay, so from here actually you can easily change your email ID, address and WhatsApp number. Now I need some top margin actually. So let me click in this, unlock the margin. Margin top let me take around 15 pixel. After that I need the social media icons also here. Click in this and let me search for the social. So now here you can see the social icon. Just drag and drop it downside like that. So by default total 3 icon is displaying. Suppose I want to add the Instagram also. So what I have to do, I have to click in the add item option, click in this, and from here let me take Instagram. Okay, and after that here actually you have to enter the Instagram handle link. It's a dummy website, so here I am entering hash sign in the link. Okay, remaining everything I am keeping as it is. So next what I have to do, come back here. Now right click, click in the copy, right click, click in the paste, even here also right click, click in the paste, even here also right click and click in the paste option. Now for the second one actually, click in this, and here actually I need useful links. So come back here and here I have to mention useful links. For the third one it will be my account. Come back here, click in this, and here I have to write my account. After that for the fourth one it will be customer services. So next what I have to do, I have to click in this, let me search for the menu. So here you can see the menu, just drag and drop it downside of the useful links. Now it asking to choose the menu. Suppose from here I am taking footer 1. So as you can see my menu is coming. Make it vertical. Okay, here actually click in this and come back to the layout option, and here you can see the vertical aligned. I have to make it default. Okay, now it's coming perfectly, and I want this links color should be white color. Click in this, come back to the style option, just color, make it white color. Okay, now just right click, click in the copy, right click, click in the paste, when here also right click and click in the paste. Now click in this, and from here I am making it footer 2. Now for the third one I am making it footer 3. So next what I have to do, I have to design this copyright session. So as you can see the copyright session background is little bit darker. So what we can do, click in this, and after that I have to click in the single to single column. Now I have to click in this, and from here in the style click in this and make it dark black color. Next click in this, and here actually I need a divider. So let me search for the divider here. So here you can see the divider, just drag and drop it here, and from here the divider color I am making it little bit light gray color. Okay, and here you can see the gap, just make it 5. So after that actually I need a inner session. Click in this and just drag and drop the inner session downside of the divider, and here actually in this inner session just drag and drop the text editor here, and my text editor content will be this one actually, means this copyright line. So here actually I have to mention that, and after that here actually I need an image. Click in this, so drag and drop the image here, click in this, and from the media library, suppose I am taking this image, I mean this payment gateway image, click in the insert media, and alignment I have to make it right. Okay, now I have to click in this responsive preview and click in this. So as you can see in the tablet preview it's coming like that. Let me do one thing. For the tablet preview, click in this, and from here click in the typography. So I have to decrease the font size, that's look quite good. Even for this one also click in this click in the typography. I think 12 will be perfect, not 12. Suppose let me make it 10 or 11. Yeah, 11 is perfect. So next here actually it little bit congested. Do one thing, click in this, come back to the layout, make it 50. Even for this one also click in this, make it 50. Even for other two also, like click in this and make it 50. Even for last one also click in this, and the column width, let me make it 50. Yeah, it's looking quite good now. Now let me check the mobile preview. So as you can see in the mobile preview, everything is almost coming perfectly. No need to change anything that much. Click in this. I think I have to decrease the font size a little bit in the mobile preview. I think 11 will be perfect. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is. Now let me click in the update option. Come back to the desktop preview. After that I have to click in this. Click in the exit option. After that again I have to hover on the design and click in the layout builder. Now click in the footer. From there click in this and choose my footer. Even here also click in this, choose my footer. Here also click in this and choose my footer. Even for other three also click in this, choose the my footer. Even here also, even for the last one also click in this and choose my footer. After the scroll up and click in the save layout. So let me check my footer is coming or not. So as you can see my footer is coming perfectly. So next actually I have to design the sidebar for the shop page. If you come back to the demo website and if I click in the shop option, at the left hand side here you can see a beautiful sidebar. I have to design this one. For designing the sidebar actually, first of all I have to create this category menu. Okay. For that again let me come back to the dashboard, hover on the appearance, and after that I have to click in the menus. Now for creating a new menu I have to click in this create menu option. Now the menu name I am giving as category menu. Click in the create menu option. After that I have to click in this product category. From there click in the view all and click in the select all. And from there actually I does not require this uncategorized, remove it and click in the add to menu. After that this handbag, laptop bag, ladies bag, luggage bag, that will be the subcategory for the bag. And for the beauty product, this body oil, face care, makeup brush, makeup kit, that will be the subcategory for the beauty product. Coat, jacket, t-shirt, winter dress, subcategory for the man's dress. Analog watch, digital watch, fitness band, subcategory of the watch. And this bikini, casual dress, formal dress, party dress, winter dress, that will be the subcategory of the women's dress. After that I have to click in the save menu option. Once saved I have to click in the widget option. So now here I can see the shop sidebar. Click in this, click in the plus option. Let me search for the UDesign filter clean, this one. After that again I have to click in the plus option, search for the menu. So here you can see the navigation menu, click on that. Title of the menu I am giving as product category, and from here I am choosing category menu. Again I have to click in the plus option. So here actually let me search for the UDesign price filter. So here you can see the UDesign price filter, click on that. Now from here if you want to change the range and change the price format, always you can do that, but here I am keeping everything as it is. Again I have to click in the plus option. Now let me search for the attribute. So here you can see the filter product by attribute. First of all I am choosing capacity, click in the done. Again I have to click in the plus option. Again I have to click in the filter product by attribute. Now I am choosing color and click in the done. Again click in the plus option, and here again I have to choose filter product by attribute, and from there I am choosing size and click in the done. And after that I have to click in the update option. Once everything updated, come back here, click in the shop. So as you can see my sidebar is coming perfectly. So next actually I have to design the pop-up. For designing the pop-up actually again I have to hover on the UDesign and click in the templates. From there I have to click in this pop-up builder. After that I have to click in the add new template. Make sure this pop-up builder should be selected here, and the pop-up name I am giving as my pop-up. Click in the create template option. Now here actually I have to click in the plus option, take single row and two column. Next what I have to do, I have to click in the session, click in this. From there actually I have to add the background image from the media library. Suppose I am taking this image, click in the insert, and after that here is the size, just make it cover, and the position let me make it center. Next what I have to do, click in the first column, the width let me take around 72. Now I have to click in the plus option, drag and drop the heading here, and my heading will be newsletter sign up. Now click in this, click in the typography. From there I have to increase the size little bit. I think that's looking quite perfect. So next what I have to do, again I have to click in this 9 dot, drag and drop the text editor downside, and my text editor content will be this one. And here actually I need some top and bottom padding. So top padding I am taking around 15, and bottom padding also I am taking around 15 pixel. And after that actually I need the form. So for that again I have to click in this 9 dot and let me search for the WP form. Just drag and drop it downside, click in this, and from there I am choosing pop-up form. Okay. So as you can see my pop-up form is also coming perfectly. I think the gap is not required for the button. Let me remove the gap. Okay, now it's looking quite perfect. So after that I have to click in the update option. Next let me click in this. Let me check the responsive preview. Okay, everything is coming perfectly. So next I have to click in this, and after that I have to click in the exit option, and from there again I have to hover on that and click in the layout builder. So from here actually in the global setting, click in this, and here you can see the pop-up, click on that, and from here I am choosing my pop-up. Delay suppose around 3 seconds. After that let me click in the save layout option. So as you can see my pop-up form is coming perfectly. Next actually I need some customization. So for that actually I have to hover on the appearance, and after that I have to click in the customize option. So the header footer already I made, so no need to change anything. Directly come back to the style option, click in this. So in the color option actually if you want to change the primary color, secondary color, you can always do it from here. Here everything I am keeping as it is. Come back here. So now in the typography if you want to change the font color, font size, always you can do that. But everything I am keeping as it is. Now come back to the page header, click in the page title bar, enable this one, and from here I am choosing this effect. Now clicking the select image for the background image. From there suppose I am taking this image, click in the select option. Top spacing I am taking around 70, and the bottom spacing also let me take around 55. Okay. If you come to the about us page actually, here you can see the page header, because that is the home page, so you can't able to see here. So as you can see my page header is coming like that. Even from here you can change the size of the text and everything, but here everything I am keeping as it is. Even you can change the font color also. Now let me click in the publish option. Come back here in the breadcrumb also, if you want to change the color or the text size, always you can do that. Now come back here. After that let me click in the blog option, and from here also let me open the blog page. So here you can see the blog global. So from there you can easily change the blog layout, and if I click in the blog page, here you can see in a single row how many column you want to display and what should be the layout. Suppose I am making it 2. So now you can see in a single row total 2 blog posts should be displayed. As you can see it's coming perfectly. Similarly, how you want to show the load more button, you can choose it from here. Now let me click in the publish option. Now let me open a single blog, and from here let me open the single blog page. So from here whatever you want to show and whatever you don't want to show, you can always check them, and how many related blogs should be get displayed, you can decide the count here. In a single row how many columns should be displayed, you can choose it from here like that. Suppose I am making it 3. So here you can see total 3 related posts should be shown here. So as you can see here total 3 related posts are showing. So like that you can make the changes. Let me click in the publish, and after let me come back here. I does not have any portfolio in the website, so here I am keeping everything as it is. Now the most important thing, come back to the WooCommerce, and from here also let me open the shop page. Now let me click in the shop. So in a single row actually how many column you want to display, always you can decide it here. Suppose I am making it 3. So now you can see in a single row total 3 columns should be get displayed, and how the product sorting orientation should be. As you can see here it's starting from the 12. Suppose I want it should be start from the 12, not from the 9. Okay, as you can see if I click now here it's starting from the 9. Suppose I am removing the 9 here, so now you can see it coming from the 12. Okay, so like that you can decide how many product you want to display here. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is. Come back here. Even in the single product also, how many related product you want to display, always you can decide it from here. How many upsell product you want to display in a single product page, always you can decide that also. Even you can change the related product title and upsell product title also. Let me come back here, click in the compare. I'll decide the compare feature later. Okay, now another thing actually, come back to the product image, and from here choose this one, this uncropped. Okay, and after that let me click in the publish option. Now I can come back here, and after that I have to click in the feature. Now first of all let me click in the compare. From there make sure this compare option should be get enabled, and how the compare should be appear, mini pop-up or off canvas. I am keeping it off canvas only. Okay, next in the Ajax filter also make sure this should be enabled. Okay, after that product frequent buy together, yes I want to enable that also. After that product buy now button, yes that's very important feature. From here you can change the text also, but here I am keeping as it is. After the product advanced switcher, yes I want that. Next lazy layout, it's not required actually. Quick view, yes I want the quick view, and how the quick view should get display, you can choose that. You want it center of the page or like that, or the side of the page, you can decide it from here. I think that's look quite perfect. Come back here. After the search, yes live search, enable that. And in the search bar actually when you type something, what should be the search result, all, product, post or portfolio. Suppose I am choosing the product. Come back here, social login, if you want to enable the social login, always you can enable that. It's totally up to you. Now product brand, yes I want to display the product brand. Now product 360 clarity image, if you want to display you can always enable that. Remaining I am keeping as it is. Let me click in the publish option. Now let me click on the masculines. So from here actually there are so many optimization option is available. As you can see here, everything I am keeping as it is, but always you can toggle with them for the website better performance. So I think I already discussed almost all the important customization option. So after that you have to click in the publish option, and after that you have to click in the exit option. Now you have to click in this uDesign option, and after that from there actually let me click in this optimize wizard. So from there, as you can see, there are a lot of performance increase option is available, so you can choose them according to your required. That's really helpful to increase the loading speed of your website, and if you optimize them proper, that will actually really help you to get better score in Google Page Speed Index or GTmetrix, and that will obviously improve your website performance. That's a dummy website actually here, so I'm keeping everything as it is. I'm ending the video tutorial here. If you have any kind of doubt, then always you can ask me in the comment section. If you really like this video and if you think this video is helpful for you, then please give a like and share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest notification from my YouTube channel. If you have any kind of WordPress related project, then always you can contact with this number or with this email ID. Thank you. Have a nice day.